everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Helpline. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete your YouTube app from iPhone. To get started, let's find YouTube. Here it is. Now long press YouTube app. Here you can see the menu. Click on delete app. It will delete your YouTube app from your iPhone. So click on it. Now deleting this app will also delete its data. If you are okay for this, then click on delete, otherwise click on cancel. For now, let me click on delete. Now let's again search YouTube. It is not visible here, that means it is already deleted from your iPhone. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.